Hey, what comes to mind when you think of home theater projectors?
They're pretty clunky. They kind of get in the way. They're just noisy and big.
But not today, because we're talking about this, Optoma's P1 4K Ultra HD laser projector. Hey, I'm Henry, and this is
Mario.
Okay, first impressions.
It's beautiful. It's very attractive.
Yeah, that kind of looks stealthy. You know, it's got really clean lines.
Yeah, and I can totally imagine this being a centerpiece.
Yeah, of any room, right? So you ready to hear some specs?
Let's go.
So, it's an ultra short throw projector, and it'll project a maximum of 3,000 lumens with a 1.5 million to 1 contrast ratio. And the two built-in speakers rated at 19 watts each.
It can process Dolby Audio 5.1 surround sound. I see that it has 3 HDMIs, 3 USBs, an optical audio out, an Ethernet port, and a 3.5 audio jack.
And with all those jargons out of the way, are you ready for some highlights and key features?
I'm ready. The P1 is capable of projecting a screen size of 85 to 100 inches on the wall by just placing it 30 centimeters in front of it. It is both Alexa and Google Assistant compatible and IFTTT integrated while supporting both Google Chromecast and AirPlay.
Now here's something I really want to talk about, which is the built-in speakers. Now it's not your typical speaker in a box because these are actually soundbar quality. Because the audio processing is Newforce Lab certified. So, you ready to turn this on?
Let's fire it up.
So, final thoughts?
Times are certainly over in which a projector needs to ruin your living room decoration, and its ventilation needs to be louder than the movie you're actually watching.
You know, I can't agree with you more. And the sound quality in this thing is amazing.
On point.
And when you want to have fun, it's got everything inside. Okay. One last feature I want to mention before I let you guys go, which is the SmartFit AI and AR assisted projection configuration utility. So basically, you use the iOS or Android app, take a picture of your screen, and the P1 will do the rest. It literally takes seconds. So you can spend less time configuring and more time enjoying.